Hey guys, so I'm just sitting here reviewing the videos as they come back with my hair looking crazy, but real life moment. I just want to share this with you guys. I know that making a change in your life and doing something different is not easy. You don't understand how much I critique myself all the time, especially with me speaking. That's a perfect example. If you don't know, 5-6 years ago, I had my thyroid removed. I had a goiter, so I have no thyroid. And sometimes, although I'm healthy, I have a problem when I speak really fast. You see me, right? And so I'm so conscious of it that I judge myself. But you guys, that hasn't stopped me from getting an interview. That hasn't stopped me from landing a job. That hasn't stopped me from helping my family land roles. And that hasn't stopped me from building this program where almost 100 people now have landed roles. Quit judging yourself. Quit judging yourself. You got this.